Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Indriani. I'm from management and my NPM is 22411 and 5. Okay, the title of the presentation is Empirical Model. From an empirical model. Giogianto, 2008, empirical model from can be grouped based on data value or scale value. The data value is divided into two, namely, first metric data, which is data connecting quantitative value or interval and ratio data types. Second, data non-metric, which is qualitative data that can take the form of, of an attribute, characteristic, or category or dichotomy, or nominal and ordinal data types. Variable model, empirical model from symbolism from something theory. The model that show connection causal between variables in model called model causal. Variable is symbol which containing something marked. Variable group become first variable dependent, variable independent, moderation variable, variable mediation, and the last is variable extrain. Analysis technique Kuncoro 2013 explain the analysis technique used after determining the empirical model use analysis multivariate, which the defensive method category or defense method include multiple regression analysis, analysis discriminant, correlation analysis, non-null, and analysis MANOVA. A. Regression analysis. Kuncoro 2013 define regression analysis as statistical tool. Regression is useful in answering the following research question. How far the variation in change in independent variable can be explained by all the independent variables include the model? Which of the variable independent variable the influence the dependent variable? Is it with the inclusion of an addition on variable independent can improve prediction against variable dependent? Is the prediction of the dependent variable from a number of dependent variables better compared combination of independent variables? Will a dense sample or observations increase the predictive power of the model? OLS methods or ordinary least squares. The essence of OLS method is to estimate a regression line by minimizing the sum of the square error of each observation on that line. The main assumption underlying the regression model using the OLS method are as follows. Linear regression model. X is a same non-stochastic, meaning the value of X is constant in repeat sample. The average value of the error is 0. Homoscedasticity, meaning the error variance is the same for each period. There is not any correlation between error. U and X are mutually exclusive. There is annihilation linear perfect between variable free. The number of observation must be greater than the number of parameter essence or the number of independent variable. There is variability in the X value, meaning that the X value must be different or not all the same. The regression model has been spent correctly. In other words, there is non-specification bias or error in the model used is in the empirical analysis. According to Durham Gauss-Markov, every estimator OLS must meet the blue criteria, namely Gujarati 2015. First, Bayes. The Bayes linear is a linear combination of sample data. Third, unbased. The average or expense value must be the same as the actual value. And the last, efficient estimator has minimal variance between exam other who are not between. Okay, maybe it just I can say of you. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.